Instagram. It's your girl Rosemary, and welcome back to Rosie Reacts. Welcome, guys, to my channel. I'm so excited to be here once again. So yeah, guys, today I'm releasing a quick video because I just heard the BTS meal. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, BTS collaborated with McDonald's, and they brought out BTS meal, and it's been the talk everywhere, and I'm so excited I was able to get mine. I've wanted to get it for so long, but now I was able to order mine through Skip the Dish, and they just deliver it right in front of my door. So I'm gonna be opening. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't opened it. I don't know what's in there. I don't know if I'm one of the lucky ones that get the package, because I know people didn't get it. There was not enough for everyone. So finger crossed if I'm one of the lucky ones. I do not know. So I'm so excited to see what's in there. And also, guys, let me know in the comment section if you all have tried it, what you guys think about it. So it's gonna be my honest opinion about it. I'm gonna be giving it a try for the first time. I'm gonna be doing everything for the first time, so I don't know what I'm about to see. I don't know how it tastes, nothing. So this is my first time doing it with you all. So I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'm gonna get right into it. But before yes, guys, so I just got it delivered. As you guys can see, it's still all sealed up. Oops. I want to make sure like my address isn't showing. But yeah, so got my package. Why do I feel like this was way too easy for me? I feel like it's too easy for me, so I might not get the actual deal. Like, I'm literally like, what even? Oh I'm never throwing this away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? Yay. Ooh, yeah, I got the big fries. Ooh, this is about to be, I'm so bad at doing mukbang, guys, so you guys be with me trying to, like, this is my first time doing it. But yeah, we have the fries, we have the sweet chili sauce. This is the I'm so bad at this. This is my first time doing yeah, sorry. This is the sweet chili sauce, yeah. And we have the Cajun sauce. Ooh. Yeah. And what else? The straw and the chicken nugget. Ooh. I can't wait to give this a try. Let's see. I also got the butter. I got everything. Okay. Oof, I'm trying to get a. Can you guys see? I got the drink too. And what else? Nothing. Oh, I thought some people were getting, guys, am I wrong? I thought some people were getting the the little photos of BTS members. So where is mine? If that was true, where is mine? You know? It's like, where is mine, guys? But like, guys, oh, my little brothers are making a lot of noise, so I had to, like, you know, cut it for a second. So, oh god, this is gonna be bad. I'm so bad at this. I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, so this is it. This is the old juicy stuff right here. So yeah, we're gonna be giving it a try. I'm so excited. Okay, and I think I'm gonna try the this is the chicken nugget. So I'm gonna be trying it with the Cajun sauce. Let's see how this is gonna taste, because I don't know how it's gonna taste. If you guys have you guys tried this? Ooh, let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried this and what you guys think about it. Does it worth the hype or does it not? Let me know. Okay, so I just dip it into the Cajun sauce. So let's see. This is so good. Oh my god. Guys, trust me. I'm not a huge fan of sauce. I only like ketchup sauce or mayo sauce or sometimes spicy mayo sauce. That's it. I'm not a huge fan of any other sauce, but this BTS Cajun sauce, it's just it's little litty. I love it. It just has the right amount of everything. Sweetness. This is so good. Okay, let's try the sweet chili sauce. Ooh. Okay, gotta have some of this. Ooh, this is good. Oh god, I wasn't expecting to like this because I was like, I'm very skeptical about the sauce, but I only picked it because it's the best, it's the one that's recommended for the meal, and I really love it so far. Okay, so this is the sweet chili sauce. Let's see. Oh. Oh. This is so good. This is so I kept saying this is so good, but it's so damn good, guys. You don't need to try this. You all need to try this. Not for anything, trust me. The sauce just made it a whole lot of like amaze buzz. This is so good, guys. This is so good. Alright. Oops. I should have gotten like more of this. So, oops. I know a lot of you are thinking, we've eaten fries and chicken nugget before. We've had sweet chili sauce before. But I don't think you guys have had this Cajun and sweet chili sauce before. This is a whole lot of money. Like, this is a whole lot of new thing. Like, it's so good. Like, it makes something that you've tried, you have every day, or at least most of the time, looks different or tastes different. No, let me say tastes different, because the sauce makes it a whole new different game. It made it a whole new different game. This is like oh my god. With the fries, oh my god. Guys, with the fries, it's like, you know what? I want to dip. I'm gonna dip the chicken nugget. This is the Cajun sauce. I'm also gonna dip it with the sweet chili sauce and have both of them on. Let's see how it's gonna taste. Evan, oh my god. You guys, dip the chili sauce and the Cajun sauce together. It's all a lot of end game, trust me. This is so good, so freaking good. And let me guys tell you a secret. I do not like chicken nugget. I do not like chicken nugget. And look at me eating chicken nugget like it's like this amazing thing I love for a very long time. This is my second time eating chicken nugget, because the first time I tried it, it wasn't my cup of tea. So I don't buy it. I don't eat it. But right now, I want 10 more of this. Like, literally, I want 10 more of the chicken nugget with the sauce. This is my new way of eating it, dipping both sauce together. This is so good, guys. You guys need to grab yours. This is so good. Mm. 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 This is so good. Anyways, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you ever tried it. And yeah, watch till the end because I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna let you see my little brothers trying this for the first time also, and you guys are gonna get their reaction and what they think about it. So don't hand it yet and wait till the end. Thank you guys. So this are my little brothers. You won't fall, Papa. These are my little brothers, guys. I don't know if you guys can see me. So they're gonna be trying. Do you guys know BTS?
Yes. I know.
So what song of BTS do you know?
Dynamite.
Dynamite. What
That's
else?
my favorite song.
That's your favorite song? What about you, Kaladi?
Dynamite is also my favorite song.
Dynamite is also your favorite song. Okay. So we're gonna BTS and McDonald had a collab, and we're gonna be trying their BTS. It's called the BTS meal. So okay. This is it. It's so freaking good. But I want you guys to give it a try and let me know.
So this is the whole meal?
Yeah, this is the whole meal.
Okay.
So you give it a try.
Oh. I'm gonna try it.
What do you think?
I think it's really good.
You like it?
I think
the sauce is very nice.
Right? The sauce is like insane.
I don't want
no.
Now it's your turn. It's
spicy,
so good.
It's spicy, it's sweet.
Like it has the right amount spice. You know what I mean? I don't think they can see your face, Kaladi. What do you think, Kaladi? Do you like it?
Yes. Let me see.
No, you can't sit there.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, just stay here. I think they can see you from there, yeah. Guys, don't mind us. This is our first time doing this, so it's like very chaotic right now. So, Kaladi, what do you think?
It's good. It's spicy.
You like the taste?
Do you like it?
Yes.
And it's your turn now, Papa. Papa, it's your time to taste it. He's very skeptical. He doesn't like trying new things, so I don't know. I don't know if he's gonna want to try this, but let's see. Let's see if BTS is gonna change his mind. Oh my God, he's actually trying it. He's not spitting it out. Oh my God, Falabi, he's actually giving it a try. He's not spitting it out. Oh my God, you like it, Papa?
Huh?
Oh no way! I'm literally so surprised because he doesn't try new things, and when you give him new things, he normally just throw it away. Oh, it's spicy. It's like, I need water. It's so spicy. Oh my God. You want more? Want to finish it? Okay. Don't forget to keep subscribing. Comment down below what you guys think about my video. Share the video with your loved ones and like the video. And also check out my music video for my reaction to Butter by BTS also on my channel. I also put a description below. And